Hi, I'm Aaron Fethian, founder of Matatika. We help companies large and small do more with their data. And today I'm going to show you how to publish a dataset from a Jupyter Notebook to our platform in under 2 minutes. So what is a Jupyter Notebook? If you head over to Kaggle.com, you'll see over 400,000 public notebooks. Data scientists from all over the world are writing code blocks and then describing their work in text blocks inside these notebooks. And the code blocks are executed on a Python backend and the results streamed back into the page. The whole page can then be shared with their team. But what if you only want to share your results and not your entire notebook? Well, that's where I think we can help. Inside our platform, we have the idea of workspaces. If I go ahead and create a brand new workspace, let's just call it demo, I'm able to invite members of my team to this workspace, so only they can view my results. We give you a quick look at the invitations. It's as simple as entering an email address, and you would have seen earlier that the settings for which domain can control who can be invited. What I'm going to do now is open up a notebook that's on our GitHub project. So in this project we have a simple Jupyter Publish example. If I open up that notebook, you'll see that there's some code here which installs our Matatika Python library, sets up a couple of variables to describe the data, and then describe the chart, and then finally down here we publish into the platform. So let's go ahead and open that up in Google's Colab environment. Here Google gives you a Python backend and the notebook front end. But what I need to do is configure it. So I need to grab a workspace ID from my newly created workspace. I grab that ID, populate the workspace ID variable. I need a token, of course, so I go into my API keys, grab the token, pop that into the token variable. Now I'm going to run the whole thing, and step by step it will install the library, create these data frame for the planets, describe the chart itself as a column chart, and then publish it into our platform. So you can publish it into our platform. That's finished now. If I go back and refresh the platform, refresh our web page, you can see the data set. Here's our planets with a nice little visualization. What I'm going to do now is just add a little bit of a description here, liven up a little bit. If I go ahead and grab a short description I prepared earlier, this describes each of the planets. So you can see it's just Markdown. So there's a simple ability in Markdown to identify titles and subtitles. If I just go ahead and run that again, publish again, back to the platform, and refresh. Now you can see there's a full description of my data set alongside my data. I think that's a really nice way to publish results with your team. There's a full link and article on our website. If you want to follow this yourself, please register and we'll give you access. And we'll open up the comments on the video. If you have any questions, I'd be delighted to help.